This is part 2 of the discovery lesson. Hopefully, you'll take the time to pause, give this an attempt, and then work through it or check your solutions throughout it once you've finished. I really hope you've taken that advice. The first part is listing our rational roots. So that is factors of p over q again. So that's plus or minus 4 divided by plus or minus 1. And the factors are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, and plus or minus 4. From that, we graph or use Desmos, and we find that our zeros are 1 and negative 4. Now we're going to pick one of the zeros. We can either pick 1 or negative 4. Doesn't matter which. I will choose 1 to divide through, and we divide that through our polynomial. I'm going to use synthetic. You could certainly use long division. It's just synthetic division is quicker and easier and more efficient. So I prefer it when it's possible. And that's our remainder. All right, so from this, if you graph this x cubed plus 4x squared plus 1x plus 4, you will find another 0. And it is our other 0. So if you were to do this and you divide it by negative 4, hopefully when you graph that next polynomial, your 0 would be the 1. Either way, now we're going to go through and we'll take negative 4 into our remaining polynomial. So that's 1, 4, 1, and 4. We have 1, negative 4, 0, 0, 1, negative 4, remainder of 0. So we have a polynomial there that's now x squared plus 0x plus 1, and we set it equal to 0. The easiest way to do this would probably be the square root method. So with the square root method to solve a quadratic, we will subtract our 1 over. And now x squared equals 1. We take the square root with a plus or minus, and x equals plus or minus. The square root of negative 1 is the definition of I. Therefore, you have 4 solutions. So you have 1, negative 4, I, and negative I. Or you could have 0 plus or minus I if you really want to have the real and then the imaginary part. Hopefully this made sense. Hopefully you did well. I'm now going to step it up to kind of giving you more autonomy to solve, and then without the steps, make sure you follow through each step though for solving, and hopefully it goes well. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this series. I greatly appreciate it.